Hello students, good morning. Now we have completed our lesson number 3, the little girl. I told you the story and explained it. Then next we start our exercise. First one is thinking about the text. We read the text and how we get the answer of that it. First one is given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Match the emotion in column A with the items in column B. Means there is a emotion of Kezia and we have to match her emotion with this paragraph. Now the first one is fear or terror. So which are the fear or terror emotions? Like fathers come into her room to give her a goodbye kiss. This one is fear. First, fathers comes home. This one is also fear. Speaking to father. This one is also a terror fear. And father stretched out on the sofa snoring. This is also fear for Kezia. Now glad sense of relief. When she get relief, when noise of the carriage grow fainter. Third, a funny feeling perhaps of understanding. When she get this feeling, father comforts her and falls asleep. Next, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Here we give the answer of these questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Like first one is, why was Kezia afraid of her father? I have already told you and explained you that Kezia was afraid of her father because he never spoke kindly to her. She did not understand him and looked upon him as a terrible person to be avoided. Second, who were the people in Kezia's family? There were only 3 persons, her father, her mother and her grandmother. Third, what was Kezia's father's routine? Before going to his office, he came into the Kezia's room and gave her a casual goodbye kiss. Second, after coming back from his office, he would have his boots taken off. He demanded his tea, slippers and papers. And third, on Sundays he stretched on the sofa, covered his face with a handkerchief and went to sleep. Now fourth, in what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? So how did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to know her father better? Grandmother knew that Kezia was afraid of her father. She felt if she talked to her father more often, she might get rid of her fear of him. So every Sunday afternoon, she would send her to the drawing room to have a nice talk with the parents. She also suggested Kezia to make a pin cushion as a surprise gift to her father on his birthday. Now, third, discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down answer in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. First one is Kezia's effort to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Now Kezia was always scared of her father. She looked upon him as a terrible giant and tried to avoid him. Kezia loved her grandmother. She encouraged her to understand her father better. So one day grandmother suggested that she would give her father a surprise on his birthday. So Kezia wanted to make a pin cushion. She stitched a piece of yellow silk. She needed something to stuff into it. She found now nice sheets of paper in her mother's bedroom. She tore and stuffed them into the case. Now then she stitched the fourth side too. The sheets of paper were important. Her father looked for them. It was found that Kezia was the culprit. He was angry and punished her. Now Kezia described that there are different kinds of father. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father? Now, Kezia's father was strict, a disciplinarian, and sought perfection in behavior as well as speech. He disapproved of Kezia's stuttering and wanted mother to take her to the doctor for the treatment. He gave exemplary punishment to Kezia for taking something without permission. Now, he was a busy man and found no time to play with his daughter. Now, Mr. McDonald, on the other hand, was an extrovert person. He was perhaps not so busy and often found enough time to play with his children. He was light-hearted and lenient. He did not scold his children for throwing water on him with a hose pipe. He laughed and rather seemed to enjoy it. Third, how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? So once Kezia's mother was hospitalized and Granny had to stay with her at night, Kezia had to sleep all alone in her room without the protective company of her granny. At night she had the same old nightmare of a butcher coming towards her with a rope and a knife and a dreadful smile on his face. She could not move. She cried for her granny. When she opened her eyes, she saw her father standing with a candle in his hand. He blew off the candle and took her to his room. There he put away the newspaper from his bed, threw the half-smoked cigar in the fire, and tucked Kezia properly and lay beside her. He asked her to rub her feet against his legs for warmth. Snuggled under her father's protective arms, she got rid of his fear. She changed her opinion about her father. So students, you have to understood all these answers while you reading this chapter. So you have to complete your copy and write all the answers in your fair notebook. Thank you.